Hello and welcome to Grammar Gallery. So we are back after a long gap. So far we have uploaded so many videos in grammar and mathematics. The way we have got to the response from you people, you have supported the video, you liked the video and shared the videos, and at the same time you have subscribed our channel as well. So it is once again our request, if you haven't so far subscribed our channel, this is our request, please subscribe the channel and also share the videos to the other, because it might be a very helpful to all of you guys. Today we have a new topic to discuss here. The topic is transformation of sentence. So without having any time being lost, so let's start today's topic is transformation of sentences. So transformation of sentences means from a particular kind of sentence we have to convert into another kind of sentence. But don't forget that after being changed or to transform from one sentence to another sentence, the meaning of the sentence, I mean the main sentence and the sentence that we have changed into, so it should be keep remain same. So here the topic is the first one, combine the sentence using so that not, that is one, second one to, and third one is not enough. I have just watched so many requests from you that how to combine the sentences by using different ways. So today we have taken the topic, just will add the sentences by using so that not, to, and not enough. Remember, the question is what is combine? Combine means to add or to join. So that is called the combine or the combination. So let's start with a very simple example. Like he is very weak. He cannot or he can't walk. Look at these two sentences. The first sentences we have, he is very weak, and the second sentence is he cannot talk. So if you talk about how to combine the both sentences, first I will start with he is, just change the word very and substitute so, then use the same word weak. To join the both sentences, use that. Now continue the sentence. He can't or cannot walk. So this is one. If I take the same sentence, if I want to combine or to add the both sentences by using to and to, let's see how to do it. He is, just substitute in the place of very to, then use weak, then again use to. He is too weak to walk. Here you no need to take cannot and the word he. So if you take this third sentence, look, this is very important for us, not enough. So most of the students, I have seen that they are getting confused while they are using the not enough. So the first two cases like so that not and to, these topics are not new for you people, because you already gone through in SSLC or somewhere in first PUC or second PUC. But the question is how to convert or how to combine by using not enough. Look at very simple topic. This one is he is, just use not and just change this word. This is weak, the adjective. So we need to find out the opposite of weak. So the opposite word of weak is strong. He is not so strong. In fact, before to use the word strong, I mean the opposite of weak, we need to use so. He is not so strong to walk. So this is the way. Look at, in these questions both the subjects are same, but what happens if the subjects are given differently? We can take one more example. The box is very heavy. The box is very heavy. Second sentence, he cannot lift. Try to understand these two sentences. In the first example, we have got two different sentences but having the same subject. In the second sentence, I mean in the second example, we have again got two examples, I mean two sentences here. So one is the box, so this is the subject is box here, and for second sentence we have got subject as he. Just try to just compare both the sentences. In these two sentences you will find that the subject is same, while in the second sentences, I mean second example, both the sentences you will find the two different subjects. For such a time we can add a little bit here, like let me show you first. If I want to add both the sentences, like the box is, again substitute very by using so heavy. The box is so heavy that he cannot lift. The first combination is over. If we talk about the second combination, we will make a certain changes here. Like in the second one, the box is too heavy. Here, as the both the subjects are different, we can make a little bit of adding of a few words here. Like if it is I, use for me. If it is he, just use for him. If it is she, just use for her. If it is they, for them. If it is we, just use for us. Have you looked? Have you looked all these? For I, use for me. For he, just use for him. For she, use for her. They, for them, and for we, it is for us. This is only applicable in the second example, as we have got two different subjects here. Take a look. The box is too heavy for him. But while the first example, no need to use such a thing because the subjects are same. So the box is too heavy for him to lift. Look at the third one, third combination. The third combination here is not enough. For the not enough, I will again start with the subject. The box is not so. Just use the opposite of heavy is. Can you guess what is the opposite of heavy? You can use light. Not so light. Then use enough for him to lift. Look at the two sentences. In such kind of combination of sentences, you will find only such kind of sentences only. Number one, the two sentences having the same subject. Second one, the two different sentences having two different subjects. So for this is the reason. And don't forget that here in these two example number 1 and example number 2, we have taken the example of present tense. Is, look here, can, again here it is is. If here can, suppose the same sentence or same sentences are in past tenses, then it would be was, and here couldn't, or that means the past tense of can is could. In the same sentence again, if I use here was, I should use here could. So this is the way to do it. Let's see one more example and wind up today's class. Take the another example of, this time it is of past tenses. I will take the example of past tenses, like the boy was very short. He could not reach the top. If we take this example, that will be the last example for us. Look here, the boy. How do you feel that? If we combine the sentence first using the boy was so short that he could not or couldn't, he could not reach the top. Take the another example. That means for the second combination, what is the second combination here? 2 2. The boy was too short to reach the top. Take the third example and the final combination. The boy was not so. What is the opposite of short? You can write down as tall. The boy was not so tall enough to reach the top. You may ask me a question, why I didn't use here, for him, because maybe the boy and he, you might find the two different subjects. In fact, this is not two different subjects. The boy and the he, this pronoun is showing the same noun. So that's why you cannot say that this time these two subjects are different. So this is all about how to transform a particular sentence and how to add by using so that not, then to and not enough. So this is the way to combine the sentences in different ways. So in today's video, just we have gone through with how to combine the sentences by using. On the next video, we will see that how to combine the sentence by using not only but also, sometime neither nor, either or, as soon as, okay, no sooner. So such kind of more examples are waiting for you for the next videos. So it's time to say all of you goodbye. So before to conclude today's video, if you already liked our videos, that's the good one. If you are sharing our videos, so that is certain kind of energy that we can get for having such kind of more videos. And I hope today's video you have learned a little, and at the same time you can just keep in your mind for a very long time. And at the same time, if you haven't subscribed the video so far, please subscribe the channel and watch out for some kind of more videos. It is waiting for you. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a very nice day.